Welcome to the video. Today we're going to create amazing images using SREFs, and I want to show you how you can not only discover how to find new SREF codes, but also create images really quickly. So first off, here's what we're going to look at today. We're going to create a cowboys with different SREFs. So we're going to use this one, and this one. So let's pretend you've got a project that you need an awesome cowboy image, but you can't really decide on what to do, and you don't really know all the prompts that you should use. One of the things I can tell you is that if you just let the SREF code do the work, you can get different images like this one, and this one, all just with the word cowboy with using SREF codes. So what is an SREF code? An SREF code, of course, is a number. So it's --SREF followed by a number, and then that gives you different looks. This look, by the way, is what you get with SREF 507. Of course, these are pilots. And so what we've done is we've put together another volume of our favorite SREF codes. So these are curated into a little journal that you can get for free up at top there. Just click, and then you can find all of these. And we've got 60 new SREFs. These are the ones that we really like the best. We're constantly playing with these, and know you're going to love it. So just click on that and you can get these also. But let me show you how this works. So I've chosen these three SREFs. They go to the ones I just showed you. And what we're doing is we're going to create all of these at once using power permutations. So if you haven't heard what that is, that's the curly bracket. That's the letter on your keyboard that's right next to the letter P is a little curly bracket. Just hold your shift key down and you can use that. And then we've separated these by a comma. So we've got three different looks. And what we're going to be doing is we're also using the repeat command, which is --R4. This is going to give us 12 of 4 images each of these three. So this is going to give us 16 images of these three SREFs for a cowboy. And if we hit go, which is the easiest way to kind of show you how this works, what I really like about how Midjourney works is it segregates these ideas into the different slots here. So this first group is all of the SREF that looks like a comic book illustration. And you can see this is what we get with those. The next one is this old-fashioned kind of illustration look that you might see that an old artist from the 1900s did, right? And then this last one has a more modern look with really bold colors with red and light blue and kind of a fun kind of a look, right? So this is how you can generate a lot of really amazing images quickly just with using SREF codes, power permutations, and the repeat command. So if you want to learn more about how to use Midjourney quicker and easier, please subscribe to the Midjourney Experience newsletter. This publishes weekly and is delivered right to your inbox with tips just like these. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. We'll talk to you soon. See you.